So welcome to the Maasai Resort in Mombasa. I didn't film the whole check-in process. The owner here, the boss, is Italian. Here, that is the room. Here's a nice leopard. This is the bathroom, the shower. Then here the bed. The breakfast is included. It's 4,000 shilling the one night. And yeah, it's now 7 o'clock, 15 minutes. This is here the room. The fan is working, and then here's the terrace. And a beautiful tropical garden. And there's also here the restaurant, the Giardino. And I think this over there, that is the reception area. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay, Maasai Resort, Mombasa.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It is the pool of the hotel, and they have a bar here, but it's already late and the people have left. The Giardino Bar and Grill, Italian restaurant, and my room is here behind. And my room is here. Top room, that's my room. It is the new road. And that is the hotel here. Okay, I go now to the beach. So when I was leaving the hotel here, the hotel is behind all these school buses from the, I don't know why there are so many buses here, from Moi Educational Center. And then next to it there's the Traveller Beach Hotel. And then behind there's the Ziva Resort that is next to the beach, and I will just go here through the beach, to the beach. Karibuni, welcome. Karibu Kenya. And it is very dark here, but it's only 6 o'clock now, 7. Yeah, there's absolutely no light here. They have a problem with electricity. I don't know, the beach must be behind here. Oh God. I'm using my phone here with the light. This is here behind the hotel, but I cannot really find here the way to the beach. It's so dark here. Maybe it's here. This is the pool of the Ziva Hotel, but they have no light. They have no electricity here at the moment. Oh, here's some light. So welcome to Kenya, the country that has issues with electricity. I'm here at the Ziva Beach Resort after like 5-minute walk from my hotel, the Maasai Resort. And there's the beach and the Indian Ocean. And here you can wash your feet. And here behind there is the Bamburi Beach Hotel. I've been there years ago. I can see that on the structure there. That looks like in, I don't know the name of this style. Beach Hotel, Indiani. Here's a restaurant, and yeah, maybe I can get a Coke here. But it's very dark here, there's no light, almost no light. Hello, Jumbo. Can I get a drink here? A cola? Yes?
Drink?
A cola?
Yeah.
What do you think? I just arrived today here I'm in the other hotel behind. How long is the electricity gone here? Is that normal? Is that all
No, it's not normal.
It's not normal.
Actually, it's today.
So.
Yeah, because I think there was something about the power, because they had told us yesterday.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
It's all vegetarian here, this restaurant. Ziva Beach Resort, and I ordered some fries. So that are my fries here, 250 shilling. That's nice. Now I switched to the restaurant, Indiana restaurant here. That is, I was behind in this restaurant before, and now I came over here and ordered a Coke and ice cream. So I have here nice chocolate ice cream with 2 big chocolate scoops. Ah, that's very good. In this fancy restaurant here. Fancy look. I told the guy already, normally I need a suit here and a necktie and all, because it's so elegant, but it's not necessary. But it's nice. And the bar is over there. So I walk now here, the long walk from the beach, from the restaurant where I had the ice cream up here. Here there are 2 pools, and I'm not really sure what it is here. There is another hotel. Here that is a nice lady. And here is a gym. But I don't know which hotel that is here. That is when you come from this Indiana restaurant. Yeah, it is so dark here, and I was before here at this Indiana beach bar, and then walked up, and here's the Bamburi Beach Hotel, where I stayed years ago. And then I walk now to my hotel, that is the Maasai Resort. And the noise that you can hear here, that is the electric generators. They have no electricity here. It's now 11:35, and I'm taking now an Uber to the club. And my driver should be here in like 2 minutes. So the first driver that was just here, he said he will not go back to where I want, he goes to another direction. And he thought he could just take me and make extra money. And then I left the taxi, and then I have ordered now another one, or Uber has automatically ordered another one. It will come in 1 minute. Now the second driver also went to the other direction. Now it's the third taxi that I'm taking. And I'm standing here since 15 minutes on this road here. Now I have a driver who's coming from Mombasa and going to Tuape. I'm here standing like this in front of my hotel here. 859 is now the end. No matter what you got a corner, go and down over to go. Why not over to can you go back here? I say the Yamu. How okay, so